I bought this, God, a long time ago, maybe close to 30 years ago. Actually, I work at Alcoa, and this was one of their subsidiary plants. It was Fujikura or something. It was in North Rolton. So I knew somebody that worked there, and they were getting rid of it, so I bought it. I think I paid like $100 for it, but it's pretty heavy duty. I did some work on it. So let me start it up. See what happens. I silver soldered the blade a little crooked, but that's pretty straight. Does a good job.
Straight enough.
Cut through that piece. Pretty damn straight.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
$100. I did a little bit of work too.
Wait, this machine was $100?
Yeah. I bought it off of Benny.
But 30 years ago, it was $100.
When Gary lived across the street, his brother-in-law, Benny, Kim's brother, he worked at this place. I forget what it was called. It was Fujikura. It was a subsidiary, but it was right on, I think it was York Road or something, North Rolton.
Shit, I barely even saw what it was doing until I noticed.
Yeah, it's a 612, so it means you can cut 6-inch round or 6x12 rectangular. Beautiful. Yeah, it works. I got coolant on it too. It does the job. It's nothing great, but at least it cuts.
Oh, that cut.
I got it tuned in. It cuts pretty straight. Yeah. What is that, about a 1/16 of an inch? I think I cut. Thick, yeah.
Like 2 millimeters?
Let me measure it. Let's measure it. Let me find my...
Okay.
Better yet, I got my micrometers here. Look at it. Let's see here. We got right in the middle. Oh, 56.5 thou. Yeah.
Good
56.
shit.
Not quite a 1/16 of an inch.
Okay.
You cut it nice and even, right?
Yeah. I mean,
I'll say so for a old.
Yeah, it's a little thin right here, but that's pretty flat otherwise.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, great job. And what is this called?
It's a horizontal cutoff saw.
Okay.
It's a bandsaw.
The bandsaw horizontal cutoff saw.
Yeah, so probably
an old FAMCO.
60s maybe?
Maybe from the 60s.
I'm guessing 60-ish.
Does it say?
Might. You can look up. There's a serial number, right?
Yeah, there is a serial. And the serial number is like scratched in.
Yeah, I could figure it close enough to find what year.
Pretty cool. Made in Wisconsin.
Yeah, Wisconsin.
USO.
Yeah.
USA.
Yeah. There's the guy on the internet, Keith Rucker. He's vintage machinery. He's down in Georgia. He could tell you what, because that's how I got all the manuals for my milling machine over there at Old Brown and Sharp. He's got manuals posted for that. Nice.
Okay.
So you can.
Well, that was the machine. That was the FAMCO in action, y'all.
Yeah, most of it. Whoops. Well, that's okay.
Oh.
Get hurt.
I'm sorry.
That's all right.
I unplugged it.
That's what you want. Yeah. I just want you to get hurt.
No, I just didn't want to ruin your machine.
I don't want you to get hurt. So, yeah. So now most of these machines, other than this Bridgeport, I can still get parts for that, but these other machines, you can't get parts anymore.
So you're making them yourself in your own machine shop.
Yeah, you have to make your own parts. I made parts for this machine. I had to, when I bought this machine many years ago, it didn't have a drive shaft for the rapid telescopic drive shaft. I made that. And some of the gear teeth were broken on some of the table gears. I had to weld them up and remachine them, but everything's working good now.
Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff.
Yeah.
Well, cool. We'll try that as one of our first videos again. That's my dad, Harry Paul, over there, and the beginning of his machine shop tour.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Bye. Oh, and like and subscribe.